Summer is around the corner, and with summer comes the sun. Let's create a hydrating and moisturizing deep conditioner with aloe vera so you can replenish all the loss of moisture. If you want to know the recipe for the aloe vera gel, check my previous video where I show you how to make this aloe vera gel with no plant. So let's start with the water phase. This formulation is very simple, very quick to make, and the base is going to be aloe vera. Also, as a base, you can use coconut water. Coconut water is very hydrating as well, so you can substitute this aloe vera with coconut water, or you can substitute with the hydrosols as well. Then we're going to add a surfactant. This will help with the rinse off process. So when you rinse off, the mask will be easier. And then panthenol. Did you know that panthenol converts to vitamin B5 when applied to the skin? This ingredient is a humectant which attracts moisture to the skin and hair. It is also an emollient which helps retain moisture in the hair. And then we mix. Now let's add the oil soluble ingredients. First, we have shea butter. And then we're gonna add pumpkin seed oil. This is an amazing oil for hair growth. If you haven't tried this oil for hair growth, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's a must. This deep conditioner will be on the lighter side because it's for the summer and the spring, and you don't want to use heavy products. Now I'm adding cetyl alcohol, which is a fatty alcohol. This is not drying at all. It is actually very gentle to the hair and is very moisturizing too. And then the emulsifier. The reason why we add the emulsifier is because, as you know, water and oil, they don't mix. So we need something to bind them together. So that's why we use the emulsifier. And the fatty alcohol will also work as a co-emulsifier to help bind the water and the oils together. And now we're going to move this to the water bath. Remove both beakers when they have reached 70 degrees and pour the oil phase into the water phase. This deep conditioner has softening and strengthening properties. It adds moisture and protection to the hair shaft, which can prevent breakage. Use this deep conditioner after shampooing your hair and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. If you add heat, even better. Then follow up with a herbal tea. We're going to add the protein. You can also add other hydrolyzed proteins like rice protein, keratin, amino acids, you name it. And vitamin E. Whenever you are making a hair product that contains oils and butters, you should be adding vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant that slows down the rancidity of butters and oils. And no, vitamin E oil is not a preservative, it is an antioxidant. And finally, the preservative. Don't forget to always check the pH of your product before and after adding the preservative and adjust accordingly. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.